How to fix Epic Games Launcher not opening. If the Epic Games Launcher is not opening on your Windows PC, running it as administrator may fix the problem. First, find the Epic Games Launcher shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher and select Run as Administrator. If a user account control window appears, click Yes. If the launcher opens, you can make this change permanent. Right-click the Epic Games Launcher again and select Open File Location. In File Explorer, right-click the Epic Games Launcher file and select Properties. Click the Compatibility tab at the top. Check the box next to Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then click OK. Now, whenever you open the Epic Games Launcher, Windows will automatically run it with administrator permissions. This can help when the launcher is being blocked by Windows permissions or having trouble accessing files and services it needs. You don't need to reinstall the launcher or disable your Windows security features just to try this fix. And that's it. That's how you can run the Epic Games Launcher as administrator and potentially fix it when it refuses to open. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.